Right, guys, got a 2004 Accord, 2004 to 2007, same thing, guys. If your AC does not work, doesn't matter if you have a Honda, Acura, or Toyota, these three cars, all right? Very rare problem, guys. It's nice and hot outside, but your AC will not come on, all right? I'm gonna show you what to check, all right? If you get lucky, you might be able to fix your AC with $40 maximum, all right? So, pop the hood open. Oop, come out. All right, put the stand on. All right. Right inside this box, all the Hondas, Toyotas have a fuse box up over here. Toyotas have it like in this slot, little different settings. Some of the Acura MDX have it there. Acura TLs, they have it here. But guys, open your fuse boxes no matter where it's located. Could be there, anywhere. All right, very simple, guys. Inside this fuse box, you have these square looking things. They're called relays. There's green ones, and the black ones. They're relays, all right? On this car, you have a relay right there. It looks like a snow frost, all right? If you put this up just like that, in the same settings, you have a relay on this side. I'm sorry about my light, but this is the one that looked like a snow frost right here. If you put the box on top of it, it will be in the same position as the marking on the inside of this cover, all right? So this relay right here is for the AC compressor, right? This relay here is for the radiator fan. And you have another one here. Oh, I'm sorry, this is for AC fan. This is for AC, radiator fan. So these two relays right here are for radiator and AC fan, all right? But over here, you have another relay right here. The one in the middle, that's the one, I made a mistake. This is the one for the AC compressor. So, the AC compressor, all that on there, is about a $700 job right there, guys. That little guy right there is a $700 job. All right? So, what you can do here is, you could pop this relay and swap it with that relay. If your AC comes on, you had a bad relay. Swap them back, put a new relay in, guys. All right? Even if your AC work, guys, put in a new relay, because this is a very common problem on the AC system, right? On the Honda, Acura, and Toyota. Some of them will say MG magnet clutch. Magnet clutch is usually common on a Toyota, on the Acuras, all right? And I don't know who put the fuses in there. I'm gonna have to pull those out. It's not a good thing to have fuses sitting in there, all right? But anyways, guys, take a look at your fuse also. This one has a fuse for AC. It will tell you clearly AC. Let me figure out which one it is. Okay, this one says MG clutch. 7.5 amps. This 7 amp fuse right here is for magnet clutch, right? So this and this, they work together to give power to the AC compressor. If there's no power, even if you hear the relay clicking, guys, the contact has carbon, is not making the power travel through, right? Simple, guys, very simple. Do these little steps. Take a look at your relay, swap it, change it, put a new one in, and you're good to go, right? So thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye. I hope this will help you guys, all right? Let me close this up. Bang, zoom, bada bing, bada boom. Let's see if your AC works now, all right, guys? Bye-bye. Sometimes, before we go, sometimes you do that, your AC does not work, now you need to go further, right? Sometimes you might not have Freon in the system. You could open one of these caps, poke the pin in there, you should have pressure in there, right? If you don't, you can check power onto that cable sitting right there, because that's the one, sometimes it could be a bad AC compressor, right? Those are the common problems. So that's it, guys, and bye-bye.